Daddy, can I take your phone?
You want to take my phone?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
That is because it's an Apple phone.
Nah, you
Apple.
think you're fine. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Ep4. Today we're gonna make some cowboy chow. We're going to get some ingredients at the shop. Put as a shopping list.
You like my picture that I drew?
Comment down below if you like his picture he drew it. And open the booklet and see the list quickly. There's a shopping list of all the stuff we're gonna need.
So I'll read it out to you.
So we'll show you the list now at the shop, and then we're going to get home and start cooking. And what do you have there?
Hello everybody. This is for the sheep and
So to tag the sheep.
tag the sheep
And before we took it to the butcher.
and forgot it to take it to the butcher.
Mushrooms?
So can you keep the list for me?
Keep the list up, Buddha. This is the shopping list, Buddha out. 5 pieces of sausage on top. Is that right? So we got all our stuff set up, all our ingredients. Our cooking location is at the tree house. And this is the team of spectators gonna help me today. They're gonna be my support.
He's my cousin. They're my cousins.
That's all the boys' cousins.
My cousin and he's my brother. He's my cousin.
What's your names?
Ibrahim.
And you?
Salahuddin.
And you?
MSP for the video.
His name is Peanut and he's Raisin. And that is sausage and this is potato over here. Here's Salahuddin's Spider-Man blanket. See there? There's Spider-Man. And I think he's also Spider-Man. They have spider powers. Oh, but don't tell anybody, that's a secret. Because he's the hero. No? Oh, what are we gonna make now?
I'm gonna make
Sausage food.
sausage food.
Are you gonna eat it with your cam bowl and your cam spoon?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure next on this.
It's enough.
What is it? Daddy, can I take your phone?
You wanna take my phone?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
That is because it's an Apple phone.
Nah, you
Apple.
think you're funny. Threw too much onions in, so we're dishing some out now and just eating it.
No,
And it is nice and soft already. How does it taste, Salahuddin?
Good.
Die voor je met de vork.
Hm?
Die voor je met de vork.
What's a little? He's so worried.
Can you see us?
Yes. I
Are you the cameraman now?
Yes. I can
Show
see.
them.
He's coming next year.
There's the other guys.
Did you say next month? Or did you
Who is
say
that?
hello? Salahuddin. That's a guy.
No man, who's that guy's there?
I'm Ibrahim. I'm Abdullah. MSP for the YouTube channel.
And you.
Now come and show you.
And we make a cowboy
wait.
Cowboy chow.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You are potato. And
Right, it means a peanut here. No,
Raisin
peanut,
here.
raisin, sausage,
wait. You drop and the lame and drop. All of this is a babies.
Nah.
You are small baby.
And this is the cameraman.
Yeah, I'm cameraman. Having the serious.
Right. Abu, put one in. Brian, put one in. Come put it in Salah. Alright, there's some small pieces also. Small pieces for you. Are you cleaning the fish, Salahuddin?
Yes.
You and Opa? Are you gonna make fish for us?
We're gonna do that though.
Yes.
Our kitchen is empty. Our dining table is full. Food is ready. Time to dig in.
Allah, and with the blessing of Allah,
I must not talk.
while I'm eating and I was tasting my food. Ameen. Bismillah. Bismillah.
How does it taste?
Nice.
We're getting cold. Okay, come go inside. While the boys are done eating now, we're gonna get everything clean up here and we're gonna pack up for the day. Thank you to everybody for watching our videos again. Please continue sharing, liking and subscribing. We will be doing another video in the next 2 weeks or so because the boys are actually gonna be going away to Makkah. So they're gonna be out of the country for a while. I'm gonna be part of a big youth group camp that is coming up also end of September. But I'll be documenting it as well. I'll ask the boys to document their trip on their first experience on the plane, and then we can all post that after they get back. So thank you once again from Dad to everybody. Have a good weekend further. Thanks for joining us again. Peace out.